Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact drive and file types you lost. Then you stop all writes to that volume immediately. Once done, boot from a separate rescue USB or enter the Windows recovery environment so you don't overwrite deleted data. Make sure to disconnect external drives you aren't recovering to avoid accidental changes. You'll use a separate working system or USB tools to scan the target disk. This prevents further damage and preserves recoverable file structures for the next tools. You now run a full scan with a chosen recovery tool such as Test Disk or PhotoRec, or a trusted commercial tool if you prefer a GUI. Start with quick scans and then enable deep or signature-based scanning to find overwritten metadata and lost fragments. While scanning, make sure to write recovered files directly to a separate physical drive, never back to the source disk. This preserves remaining artifacts and increases recovery chances, and once results appear, selectively preview files before committing to large restores. You finish by reconstructing the folder structure and verifying file integrity. Open documents, play media, and check checksums if available. If files are fragmented or corrupted, run file repair utilities or repeat targeted scans with different settings to recover missing pieces. When recovery stalls, create a full disk image and consult a professional data recovery service. Imaging prevents further loss. One key troubleshooting tip: if scans find no data, image the disk and retest. Working from an image avoids worsening the original drive condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.